Welcome to my flow chart about one-point perspective drawing. The student will first see the title page, then they'll be introduced to one-point perspective drawing, and from there they'll see examples of what one-point perspective is. The next slide will take you to one-point perspective art vocabulary. From here, the learner has a choice. If they already know the vocabulary, they can take the quiz. If they don't know the vocabulary, they'll be introduced to the words and then take the quiz. Depending on how well the learner does on the quiz, whether they take it right away or after they are introduced to the words, they'll move on to the next step, or they'll be directed back to introduce vocabulary. After the vocabulary, the learners will see examples for illustrating the steps for creating one-point perspective roads, sidewalk, vanishing point, and horizon. Again, if the learner already knows this, they can go directly to the steps of the quiz and either move on or have a review. If the learner doesn't know this, they'll learn the steps to create the city, have an opportunity to show them in a quiz, and again, move on to the next step, or go back and review and try again. The next part of the module is illustrating the steps for creating a building in your cityscape. If the learner doesn't know how to do this, they'll go up to learning the steps to creating a building, take the quiz that shows the steps that they just learned, and move on to the next slide, or they'll be directed back to the review. If the learner already knows how to do this, they'll go immediately to the quiz and again be directed to the next part of the module or back for review. The last part of the module is illustrate the steps for creating doors and windows on the roadside. Again, the viewer has a choice to go immediately to the quiz or to learn the steps to create doors and windows. Again, they'll take the quiz and be directed either to the congratulations, you are ready to start the drawing process, or be directed back to the steps to review the process and try again.